What is up, guys? Back with another video. Brand new day. I don't know about you guys, but I'm investing for time freedom, peace of mind, not things. That because the channel's called Daily Driven Porsche and I have a 911. But I was a diesel mechanic for 15 years. Detroit diesel, Allison transmissions, and I'm obsessed with turbos. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that. I was pretty early on that time freedom and health is the real wealth. It's why you wouldn't switch places with Warren Buffett even though he has $1 billion in his bank account. So how should you invest? I always wanted to invest for cash flow because I realized if I could replace my paycheck, then I could literally set myself free and take off my handcuffs of having to work for somebody. And if you've never had that feeling, you probably haven't really hated your job. I never hated my job, but I hated the attrition of the drive, working in the cold, dirty, greasy hands, grease in my hair. I worked as a diesel mechanic for 15 years, working on everything from fire trucks in Washington, D.C. to UPS trucks, waste management trucks, SWAT vehicles, anything you can think of that had a diesel engine in it. Mobile homes, coach buses. I was a transmission mechanic mainly, but I worked on Detroit diesel and Cummins. The second I started making more income, I got focused on how can I produce cash flow without trading my time. Kind of started when I've read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad with Robert Kiyosaki. When I realized you really shouldn't buy a liability unless you have an asset paying for it. So I stuck to those rules for years. I drove a 2001 Toyota Corolla, overdrafted my bank account trying to figure out a way to get ahead. My wife and I married young, early 20s. I've been married for 18 years. I have 4 children now, and I love it. It's what I live for. I focus on creating peace of mind and time freedom. It's gonna be a short video, so don't click off. I could get into why you should start investing when you're young, or if you like turbos, or the reasons why you shouldn't get in debt, but I'm not getting into all those little things. All I want to say in this video is this. It's very important if you're young that you don't live beyond your means. It's like breaking your ankle yourself, hitting yourself in the ankle with a baseball bat, and then when you know you have a marathon to run. Just hear me out. If you're young, dude, I know it's so easy to get influenced by Instagram, even someone like me showing this 911, but I'm telling you right now, I drove a 2001 Toyota Corolla till I was about 40 years old. I invested every single dollar that I accumulated over what I needed for bills and family expenses, and I invested it. I invested in rental properties. That's how I started, because I was cash flow obsessed. I was obsessed with replacing my paycheck. It's all I thought about. Now, I'm not going to get into this video that whether or not you should invest for cash flow or dividends or real estate or any of that stuff. I'll just make the one note that really what matters if you're young is total return. So I'm going to make other videos about the best way you should probably invest if you're young. This video, I'm just trying to tell you to make the mindset shift from material objects to time freedom and physical health. Because one day you're going to realize that's what really matters. And all those material things, they're going to take away the physical health, and they're going to take away the time freedom because you're going to have to pay for them. You're going to need 10 times the amount of money in free cash flow to pay for the debt than you do for the actual amount of the debt. So if this is your first time finding my channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. And no, I'm not selling a course on YouTube. I didn't do it with YouTube. I'm probably the only YouTuber that's telling you all this stuff that isn't selling something. I'm trying to get that Google ad money, let's be real. I'm trying to get that Google ad money too. But hey, you gotta get something to stay motivated, right? I told you I'm all about cash flow and passive income. But at the end of the day, I really am trying to offer some advice that's helpful. I'm just being fully transparent. And if you guys are new to the channel, go back and watch some of my old videos and then you can learn a little bit more about me. But subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea. Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea. Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work. Come on, spill the tea. Ooh. All right. Woo. This is light work.